Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What scientific term refers to a temperature of -273 Celsius? Is it A. Boiling point, B. Absolute zero, C. The point of no return, or D. Freezing point? The answer is B. Absolute zero.
Absolute zero, at -273.15 degrees Celsius or 0 Kelvin, is the theoretical point where atoms come to a complete standstill. At this temperature, entropy reaches its minimum value, and bizarre quantum effects dominate. Scientists have approached this limit in labs but never quite reached it. It's like the universe's ultimate chill zone.
Question 2. Who invented the telephone? Is it A. Claude Decibel, B. Thomas Edison, C. Guglielmo Marconi, or D. Alexander Graham Bell? The answer is D. Alexander Graham Bell.
Alexander Graham Bell, credited with inventing the telephone in 1876, was inspired by his work with the deaf. Interestingly, he considered his invention an intrusion on personal privacy and refused to have a telephone in his study. Bell's mother and wife were both deaf, profoundly influencing his life's work and innovations.
Question 3. What chemical compound makes epsom salt? Is it A. Potassium hydrogen tartrate, B. Magnesium sulfate heptahydrate, C. Methane, or D. Calcium magnesium carbonate? The answer is B. Magnesium sulfate heptahydrate.
Epsom salt, scientifically known as magnesium sulfate heptahydrate, has been a go-to remedy for centuries. Discovered in the English town of Epsom, it was initially extracted from spring water. Beyond soothing baths, it's used in gardening to boost plant growth and even serves as a coagulant in making tofu.
Question 4. What is palynology the study of? Is it A. Musical instruments, B. Pollen, C. Drugs, or D. Study of refuse and trash? The answer is B. Pollen.
Palynology, the study of pollen, offers a fascinating glimpse into Earth's history. By analyzing ancient pollen grains preserved in sediments, scientists can reconstruct past climates and ecosystems. This detective work helps us understand how plants and environments have evolved over millions of years, offering clues about future ecological changes and biodiversity shifts.
Question 5. Which of these does the prostate contribute to the production of? Is it A. Blood cells, B. Digestive proteins, C. Semen, or D. Aphrodisiacs? The answer is C. Semen.
The prostate gland, often likened to a walnut in size, plays a crucial role in reproduction by producing a fluid that nourishes and protects sperm. This fluid makes up about 30% of semen and contains enzymes, zinc, and citric acid, which help maintain the vitality and mobility of sperm cells.
Question 6. What is the name of the medical condition marked by yellow discoloring of the skin caused by too much bilirubin in the blood? Is it A. Eczema, B. Hemophilia, C. Psoriasis, or D. Jaundice? The answer is D. Jaundice.
Jaundice, derived from the French word jaune meaning yellow, has been recognized since ancient times. It was once believed that looking at a yellow object could cure it. This condition can affect newborns and adults alike, often signaling liver issues or other underlying health concerns needing attention.
Question 7. Which ship did Charles Darwin famously travel on? Is it A. HMS Beagle, B. HMS Terrier, C. HMS Labrador, or D. HMS Retriever? The answer is A. HMS Beagle.
Charles Darwin's journey on the HMS Beagle, which lasted nearly 5 years from 1831 to 1836, was pivotal in shaping his theory of evolution. During this voyage, he visited the Galapagos Islands, where he observed finches with varying beak shapes, an observation that later inspired his groundbreaking work on natural selection.
Question 8. Which space probe was the first to visit both Uranus and Neptune and to take detailed images of those planets? Is it A. Phobos 2, B. Huygens, C. Voyager 2, or D. Mariner 2? The answer is C. Voyager 2.
Voyager 2, launched in 1977, is the only spacecraft to have visited both Uranus and Neptune. During its journey, it discovered 10 new moons around Uranus and captured stunning images of Neptune's great dark spot. This probe continues to send data back to Earth from beyond our solar system.
As we orbit out of this science and nature quiz, remember, knowledge is like gravity, irresistible. Until next time, keep your curiosity in motion. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Goodbye for now, until we meet again tomorrow.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts and our network at classicstudios.com.